Check din yung items nila.
Okay, ready?
Ito. Kasinong group?
Ang talas ng Pilibo girl.
Together we ride, sumama ka na. And because of that, you won
We are the Bernardo fam, overland adventures, under the sun, under the stars. Wherever it may lead us, together we stand, through the night and the day. With every step our bond grows stronger, come what may. Through the mountains and valleys, we find our way. Hand in hand we face the unknown, no one's afraid to say. We're one big family, with hearts full of fire. In every challenge we rise higher, side by side, oh yeah. We are the Bernardo fam, overland adventures. No matter where we go, our hearts will lead the way. Through the storm, through the rain, we'll always find a light. Together we'll conquer, with laughter and might. We laugh, we cry, we share our dreams and fears. In this wild adventure, we're learning to persevere. From the first smile to the last tear, our journey's just begun. We'll be here forever. From the dawn till the dusk, our stories will tell of the places we've been, the lessons we've learned so well. With every mile, we grow more bold, and in this world of wonder, we'll never grow old. We are the Bernardo fam, overland adventures. No matter where we go, our hearts will lead the way. Through the storm, through the rain, we'll always find the light. Together we'll conquer, with laughter and might. The Bernardo family.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Say it. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Where's Aki? Sleeping still. We're almost there according to us. Are you? Hindi ko abot, sorry. Akyat ka lang man. Okay.
Hello, 24.
Thank you po.
Dito na lang po.
Thank you.
And then may mag-assist po.
Alin? Saan? Hindi kami nagbaon, bumili nga lang kami ng andoks eh.
Doon sa ano?
Makdo?
Kami yung beer food na
Oo. Pwede na. O di ba magkakatabi po kami. Delikado mamayang gabi. Kaya nga. Pagod kayo eh. Pagod kayo nun eh. Basa? Ba't na basa? Pumasok?
Hindi.
Oh, you can go down. Ba't matitikman namin yung luto? May malunggay. Sakto tinola.
5 and 6. Kaya wag kang lumapit dito.
Okay, so meron na ditong bago. Overland BBQ. Okay, panoorin nyo paano mag-balancing act ang ano dito. Ang Born to Roam Boys. Real ng BBQ. Bakit?
Wow! Bahay, Mare? Bahay? Hi. Puyat?
May nintay kasi ako dyan.
Hello po. Sorry, may ubot sipon ako, so hindi ako pwedeng mag-kiss. Baka alam mo na. Hi! Hello po! Yes! Buti na natuloy kami. Kasi kung hindi... Hi! Hello po! Oo, sige lang, go! Nag-lunch na kami, tapos na. Bye-bye! Mamaya na lang!
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 2025 Banayad Festival. Rain or
Siya. Ay. So, ayan. Habang naghihintay kaming magsimula yung event, dito muna kami sa aming kubo. Buti na lang kumuha kami ng kubo, kundi talagang kawawa na naman yung mga bata dahil sa ulan. Na-expect na rin kasi namin na uulan. So, kumuha kami ng kubo dito sa Palaya Farm. Ngayon, habang naghihintay na magsimula yung event, ito, natutulog muna ang mga tao. Yan. Tulog si Daddy. Tapos may isang kwarto dito. Tulog yung isang angel namin, tsaka yung bunso. Ay, gising pa pala. Yung bunso namin, ayun, tulog. Tapos sa taas, may taas to. Sa taas, tulog yung dalawang bata, yung panganay ko at yung pangalawa, tapos yung dalawa, tulog din, dalawa angel, ayan. So, tulog sila. Ayan. Ayan, siya si Daddy. So, dito muna kami habang maghihintay na magsimula. Maulan pa kasi. Okay, later again. Hi, Chef Mimi! Yes! See you soon! Hi, Chef Welly!
Hi, Doc.
Kamusta? Busy. Pwede pong mag-video. Hi, Chef. Hello po, Chef. Hello po. Hello po. Wow. Wow. Busy sila. Yan. Yes. Woo! Wow. Can't wait. See you later.
Yeah.
Sarap. Hello po. Hello po. Chef MJ. Chef MJ, alam kong busy ka.
Shoutout dyan sa Bernardo Pam.
Thank you, Chef. Sige, go lang. Video lang ako dito. Hi, Chef! Hi, Chef! Okay lang po kayo po, Chef. Busy kayo. Ayoko manggulo, kaya go lang. Hi, Chef! Hi!
Filter, please.
Yes! What's that?
This is we're gonna do twist with the mid lip. Yeah.
Wow! Okay,
Yeah, let's
okay.
try
We'll
it.
wait.
Yeah.
Here. Look at the artist, look! Wow! Oh, don't touch. Come.
Mommy.
Hello po! Hello po! Yes! Hello po!
Finally, we win.
Yes, Liz. Liz po. Jerry po asawa ko.
Bagay kayo dito. Nice to see you.
Sige ba, pwede mo magpastamp. Malakas ang boses namin.
Nabudol kami ng barbecue.
Stamp ko! Isa dalawang stamp sa passport dapat yan.
Dapat dalawang stamp to. Sorry. Hindi, okay na po. Okay na. Ilang barbecue? Siya ang magpapabigay.
3,000. 3,500.
Together we ride, sumama ka na.
Together we ride.
Together we ride. Huwag ka nang mangulo dyan, baka manuno ka pa. Halika na, sumama ka na.
Pasok tayo sa mansion ni Ma'am Ja.
Sige na, kampihan mo na yung bata o para isa na kami nahanap namin.
O, diba? Pwede na. May aircon din. Exhaust. May CCTV pa.
Dalawa na lang, kailangan ko dalawa na lang.
Ay, wala.
Dalawang lalaki na lang. Sige na.
May ref pa, oh, ref.
Let's go.
Ang cute!
Dalawa na lang.
Tapos, may terrace. O, diba? May terrace na. Ibang pasukin ng inyong mansion. Ayan. Iba-vlog natin. Bakit? Wow! Ang luwag! Pwede ba pasukin? Opo. Ah, cover na. Oh, naka-Fuji Denso pa. Tapos may CR. Wow! Wow! Ang lupit! Marami na rin napuntahan ka.
po. Another camping equipment na naman or baka grand prize.
Aya, say hi. Aya. Hi. Yes ka dito, Ruby God. So, isa na lang yung slot natin for the cooking show. Isa pa nga. Yun! Tama, speak na po. Wow! Di ba yung cake pa? Bago tayo mag-start, syempre dapat interviewin natin itong mga contestants natin, no? Thank you po! Hindi ka handa, no, Kati? Kala ko hindi ka handa, nandito lahat. Signo? Signo team, Signo team.
O tapos post tayo dito.
Nakakapay, okay, ready?
Picture na muna, kuya. Kuya.
Honey fusion. You like this one?
Yes, please. Dito na lang yung mga budgets.
This is a fusion honey salad.
Cool.
That this one.
Mama, ito yung soup.
Honey salad. This one is.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning. Say good morning, Aya. Good job eating watermelon. You like the watermelon? Good morning, Aki. Good morning. Morning. Good morning.
XL, no?
Yes, XL. Double XL. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Kain na kayo.
Isa pa lang.
Thank you. Oh, okay lang. Thank you.
Thank you, kuya.
Notorious na makolekta ng Banayad Festival natin eh. Every year meron yan.
Akala ko hindi pupunta. Oh. Hi.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Wala eh. Huwag ka naman sana magtampo, Kel, pero may schedule talaga kahapon sa ano eh, isang araw.
Ayan ha, i-check ninyo. Habang
Sorry,
kumukuha kayo
Sir
ng breakfast.
Kel.
Yan, check nyo din yung items nila. And you can visit their Facebook page. Itag nyo din sila kung kayo ang mananalo, syempre. Once again, thank you so much for staying sa Banayad Fest 2025. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Paano nyo mga sa inyo? Ito yung mga matatapang na nagkakaulan, syempre. Hindi ko Banayad Fest kasi hindi umulan, di ba? Signature natin.
Ganda ng beach camping.
Tama sabi nyo. Pag-uwihan mo rin. Pag-uwihan mo rin lahat ng nangaral. Niyakap. Congratulations Kuya Mark. Alam nyo sila nakakabuo sila ng gamit tuwing Banayad Fest. Anak ng Tokyo. No? Sasakyan na lang ko ay, hindi ganito. Don't look at it, ha? Yan. Hindi ko kayo marinig. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3! Uy, Brad, lalaki tayo, ha? Yung tili, eh. Ibang klase.
Number 1.
Sila Tribi. Tanggal na! Nanalo na kasi kayo. Kami naman.
Okay, ha? Last na ba to? Sa campsite po. Hindi, tanda. Okay, reminder lang eh. Yung mga monoblock po hindi namin pinaparapol. Sa campsite po yan. Ay, hindi po. Isusuli po namin yan sa may-ari. Ay, pemi na. Sila ito. Number 9. Sa tigil, lahat may number 9. Lahat may number 9. 9? May number 9. Ilan may number 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May number 9, ha? Okay. Lahat ng may number... 5. Lahat ng may number 5. May number 5? Sino may number 5? May number 5? At saka may number 9? Number 59! 59?
Wow!
Can you check? 59? Oh, congratulations! This is yours. Wave!
Grabe. Dr. Joe.
100.
Dr.
Artista yun, artista.
Sige, bigyan na natin yan. Bigyan na natin to.
Mark Patrampon. Bye-bye, Doc Lee. See you soon.
Love you! Ingat! See you soon! Sana magkita tayo sa Habadog.
Thank you.
Bye-bye! Bye, Sir Blake!
Follow niyo si Ma'am Nisha, the Bernardo Pam.
Thank you! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ingat! Ingat!
This life we own. Campfire, whispers crackling bright. Maps in hand, hearts take flight. Mountains echo our joyous song. On every road we all belong. The Bernardo fam loves the outdoors, the sky so wide. The earth beneath where dreams collide. Meeting new friends on paths unknown. Adventure calls, this life we own. Through rain and sun, through twists and bends, the journey's sweet when shared with friends. Every turn's a tale to tell, a tapestry where memories dwell. The Bernardo fam loves the outdoors, the sky so wide. The earth beneath where dreams collide. Meeting new friends on paths unknown. Adventure calls, this life we own. We are the Bernardo fam, Overland Adventure. See you next adventure.